I'm here at Skylars Home and Patio in Carlsbad, California, a quiet beachside town just a little bit north of San Diego. For the last 15 years, this family-owned business has made a name for themselves by offering amazing custom upholstery options, couches, sectionals, and chairs in an array of different fabrics and an array of different finishes. But what if I told you that their #1 selling product for the last few years has not been a couch at all? In fact, it's something completely different, and it goes outdoors. I came all the way here to check out something called Polywood, one of the hottest products on the patio and outdoor market right now. I've never seen it in person, and I'm super excited to check it out. And Skylar, the man in charge, is gonna show it to me. Hey man.
Hey,
Alex,
good to meet you.
Great to meet you. This is a great store. I love the beach vibe. And
15 years.
15 years in the biz. Is that what happened here?
It is. You lose it from furniture. It does happen from time to time.
I'm aware. We're here to see Polywood, and I see that you have it outside. So
we do. We have it all over here.
let's go outside and check it out. I would love to talk to you out here.
Let's do it.
These are sweet, man. Now, just to make sure this is not real wood.
Not real wood. It's all recycled plastics.
What kind of plastic are we talking? Are we talking like Dasani water bottles, or are we talking
We're talking anything from Dasani water bottles to your detergent bottles to anything in the plastic that goes into your blue recycled garbage can.
Okay.
They melt it down, they add the dyes, they form the lumber. It's a 20-year warranty residentially. So anyone who buys it, it's not only cost effective for most everyone's budget, it'll last forever. If you take care of it, you can just wash it down every month or every 6 months. Snow, sun, rain, desert heat, coastal weather. It will not rust, it will not chip, it will not break.
There's so many colors, there's so many fun colors. That's something you don't see, like the bright greens very often in a patio set, but like if people want to do that, or I know my girlfriend, she's like a rainbow person.
Yeah.
She loves the rainbows around the house. Like she could have a rainbow patio set.
Absolutely.
I have to get up and walk now. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to interrupt this, but I have a lot of, what is the technical term for this that you just used?
I don't know, I'd call it boob sweat.
So this stuff is Polywood, right?
Polywood, yeah. And actually, this is one of the ones that has Sunbrella on it. When you're looking at Polywood online, you can't buy Sunbrella on their lower range products.
Okay, so there are some sort of like dealer exclusive
100%.
things, transparently, to get people in the stores
Absolutely.
to come see you guys. This fabric is super nice. It feels like an indoor fabric,
It
which
does,
is
yeah.
quite remarkable.
Sunbrella is basically, it's a solution dyed acrylic fabric. So it's basically like a plastic to where the color is in the filament of the thread.
It's definition time.
Go ahead.
Filament.
Filament, which is the small threads as they twist together to form like a single thread, would be like the filament, which is what creates the thread.
Okay, I'm just to warn you, we will be fact checking.
I hope so. You know what? I hope so.
Okay, but how many fabrics in general are offered for this?
In Sunbrella, you're probably limited to about 15, or just in general,
That's
there's
still a
probably, I don't know, 50 fabrics available.
So you come here, choose a frame, choose a color, then you get to choose a fabric. This is like a fully customized thing, and it doesn't take 12 to 15, 16 weeks.
It takes about 3 to 5 weeks, just depending where you live and how long the shipping takes.
So here we are, these are the finish options. This is sort of like the basic stuff.
It does come in different textures from what these finishes are. These are their classic series.
So the texture of this is sort of, I would describe it as like a faux wood.
Yeah.
I wouldn't say it's necessarily porous, but it does have like texture.
Very much a mold-like, emulating like a 2x4 in a sense.
Yeah, I want to take a quick look at this over here. Every time I go and see fire pits, I see these beautiful marbles. I see they're made of pure
Fireglass.
fiberglass. Oh, look at all these fabrics here. It's like a million.
I brought over the Sunbrella ones just to kind of show you, and then they actually have sling available as well, which is like the tight fabric that water just drains through, which is, I don't know, I feel like it's one of my favorite things as far as cleanability. I mean, you have unlimited colorways.
Every single order that you see walk out the door is different, right?
Absolutely.
It's great that people have like so many options.
There's very few other companies that have as many options as Polywood, but for the depth of what Polywood does, just how every dining table in Polywood comes in a counter height or a bar height. So in every size table, every chair comes in all the available heights. So it's like there's no shortage to how it could serve for what your needs are.
Just stop it over there. Show them. Look what they're doing over there. And you've made a name for yourself by offering people the options to do things that are expression of their personality. And now with Polywood over the past few years, same thing. It just totally fits the vibe. If you want furniture that is catered to you, this is where you go.
I always say it's custom tailored for every flavor.
I love it.
Yeah. Thanks for coming in.
This is fantastic.
Oh man, I'm so stoked.
Awesome. Are you shopping for furniture and want the inside scoop? Subscribe to our channel below so you don't miss any of the info that you need to know.